Paul Burgers. I'm sorry I'm a little bit late here, but it was my birthday this weekend, so whatever. Anyway, so let's look at what we got for this week. Monday, I have another crash course video for you all about growth cities and immigration. So with cities becoming more and more industrialized, we start seeing more and more people coming to these cities, specifically with immigration. So we have a video diving into that. There is a brief discussion following that. Tuesday, yes, their good friend Common Lit. However, please listen. I have assigned 2 articles. I would like you to complete 1, your choice. So there's The Rush of Immigrants, which is going to give you a good background on immigration during the turn of the century. And then we have The New Colossus, which is actually the poem at the bottom of the Statue of Liberty. So pick one, answer the questions that go along with that. Wednesday, we do have another in-class meeting, so please join me for that, either in the morning or in the afternoon. You only have to pick one or the other, it doesn't matter which. Or if neither of those work, I mean, it will be recorded and pushed out to you guys. Thursday, I have another video for you to discuss, talking about immigration today. The immigration system that we had in the early 1900s changed in the 1950s, and it's really still what we use to this day. So it goes over a little bit on that, like a real short, like 6-minute video there. There's a link there if that the link originally doesn't work. I'm also going to give you the sample immigration test. So for an immigrant to become a U.S. citizen, one of the several things that they need to do to become a citizen is take the immigration test. I want to give it to you guys. Try it out. See how well you do. So yeah, good luck. And there is a discussion along with that. Finally, it is Friday. What are your thoughts? What is going on in this crazy world right now with all of the COVID-19 and all that stuff? Again, I hope you all are being safe and healthy. Yeah. Hey, keep up the good work. I will see you when I see you. Ta-ta.